Hello children. So we are back here for chapter 3. We are done with addition sums. Now it's turn for subtraction. Subtraction which we do not like, but we should like it in terms of tension and worries, health issues. We should subtract it from our life, children. So let's get back a little bit in our own subject. Problem set 10, subtract, simple subtraction, children. See, you can see the 5 digit is subtracted by another 5 digit. Okay. Now in this subtraction you can see 3, 7. So from 3 I need to subtract 7. Is it possible? No. You have 3 chocolates. I'm asking you 7 chocolates. Not possible. So what will you do? You're going to borrow it from your neighbor. Okay. So you'll ask your neighbor that ma'am needs some chocolates. Can you give me? I'm falling short of it. So you are going to borrow from the neighbor. So the neighbor, that is 9, is going to give, and you carry over here. So this 9 becomes 8. Okay, write it little small. So now this what you have borrowed and carried over is not just 1, 3 plus 1, 4. No, it is 10. You have carried over 10. So 10 plus 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6 will be how much, children? So 13 minus 7 will give me 6. 8 minus 4, very easy. So 4. Now from 2 we need to minus 5. Not possible. So borrow. Okay. From 4 carry over here 1. 4 will become 3. 12 minus 5, 7. From 3 I cannot minus 8. I cannot subtract 8. So I need to borrow from 6 and give it to 3. So that becomes 13. And 6 will become 5. So 13 minus 8 will become how much, children? 5. And 5 minus 2, 3. So the answer is 35,746. Okay. Now we go for the next sum. 37,058 minus 23,469. Again, it's a small number and this is a big number. So we cannot subtract it. So borrow it from 5, give it to 8, it becomes 18. And this will become 4. 18 minus 9, 9. 4 minus 6, not possible. So we will borrow. But this neighbor doesn't have any chocolates. See, 0. So what will happen? You will ask the other neighbor. Okay? One more neighbor who is sitting next to you. So 7 cannot give it to you, has to pass it on. So 7 will become 6. Will pass on to this 0. So it will become 10. And this 10 in turn will pass it on to you. That is 4 will become 14. And this will become 9. Understood now? Like this 3 children are sitting in a bench. So this 4 needs extra. Okay, one more. So 4 is asking 0. 0 doesn't have. So you will have to ask the other neighbor. This neighbor is ready to give. Neighbor is giving, but he cannot throw it to you. Okay, throwing is not allowed in subtraction. So cannot throw it to you. Will pass it to the next neighbor. That is 0. So 0 will become 10. And from 10, it is subtracted and given to you. So 10 will become 9. Now 14 minus 6 will be how much, children? 14 minus 6, 8. 9 minus 4, that's right, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. Very good. 3 minus 2, 1. So it's 13,589. Okay. Now we go on to the next. Third sum. Don't look at the fourth sum. Fourth sum is for homework, children. So third sum, 71,540 minus 58,628. Okay. Now this is 0, this is 8. As I told you, 0 cannot be subtracted. So what we have to do? We have to ask this number 4, carry over 1, this will become 3. Now this has become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Wow, very good. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 6 cannot. Okay, so we need to borrow From 1 we have borrowed and given to 5. So this 1 will become 0. Now here 15 minus 6 will be how much, children? Right, that's right. Okay, that's right. How much? Yeah, 9. Now 0 minus 8, not possible. So borrow it from 7, give it to 0. This will become 6. Now 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. So 12,912. Easy to understand? Yeah, simple. 5 digit is subtracted by another 5 digit. Now fourth sum is for homework, children. You can pause the video and you can copy down, and all sums I want you to copy down. Maths is not just to watch and understand. We have to copy down in maths notebook. And this sum you are going to solve it. Fourth sum you will solve it. Okay. Any doubt, any problem arises, you can pass it on to your class teacher, and thereby I will get to know what is your problem and I will solve it and I'll pass it on back to you. Or you can also write a comment on the Google Classroom. Now we go on to problem set 11, children. Subtract. Okay, little bigger number. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 digit number. Okay. So same way, same pattern we have to follow subtraction, whether it is 2 digit, 3 digit or 1 digit or 7 digit, 8 digit or 9 digit. It's the same pattern. Okay. Now from 3, I cannot minus 6. First we'll read the number. How much is this? Right. 8,57,513. We have to minus from that 4,82,256. So from 3 I cannot minus 6. I will borrow from this 1 and hand over to 3. And this will become 0. So 13 minus 6 will be how much, children? Yes, 7. 0 minus 5 I cannot minus. So I will borrow from 5, give it to 0, and this will become 4. Now this 0 has become 10. 10 minus 5 will become 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 8, cannot. So we need to borrow. Borrow it from 8, give it to 5, and 8 will become 7. So 15 minus 8 will be, children, 7. Okay. And now 7 minus 4, 3. That's right. So 3,75,257. Okay. 3,75,257. Now second sum. 13,17,519. So we need to subtract 10,07,423. 9 minus 3 easily. How much? 6. From 1 we have to minus 2. Not possible. So borrow from 5. Give it to this one. And this will become 4. So 11 minus 2 will give us how much, children? 9. 4 minus 4. No need to borrow. 4 chocolates you have got. And you got to give me 4 chocolates. You are going to give all the 4, right? So no chocolates with you. So 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 0. You have got 1 chocolate. I am asking you no chocolates. Okay. So that 1 chocolate will remain with you. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Look at this digit, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7 digit. We are minusing 7 digit from another 7 digit. But the number is so that your 1 minus 1 becomes 0. And now this has become how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. Why? Because here this 1 minus 1 is 0. This is what in my previous, that is in 2-3 videos prior I had told you all. If 0 is in the front, that is 0 is in the start of the number, the value of that number decreases. Okay. But if the 0 is on the right hand side, on this side, the value increases. So this you have to remember. So this has become a 6 digit number now. So let us put the comma. So 3,10,096. This is our answer, children. We go on to solve the third sum. 68,34,501. from this we have to minus 23,57,823. So from 1 I cannot minus 3. Let me borrow, but this one has got 0. Neighbor has got 0. So what will I do? Next neighbor. So this will become 4. Okay. But here passing the parcel, not throwing. So here 5 is going to give to this one and become 4. And 0 is going to in turn give it to 1 and become 9. So 11 minus 3 children. Right. 8. 9 minus 2. 7. 4 minus 8. Not possible. So borrow from this 4. Give it to this 4. Okay. And this 4 is going to become 3. So 14 minus 8 will be how much? That's right. 6. 3 minus 7. Not possible. Borrow from this 3. Give it to this 3. And this will become 2. So 13 minus 7 will be how much children? 6. From 2 I cannot minus 5. So borrow, carry over, and this becomes 7. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. With that we come to this end of the sums children, and this other sum, fourth sum, is for your homework children. Fourth sum is for homework, so have a look at it and complete that homework children. So fourth sum is for homework children. Complete this fourth sum for homework. Okay. In the next video I am going to prepare word problems, subtraction word problems. Take care children.